I'm Joshua McKinney with your Wake Tech News Update. Proud graduates celebrated with their family and friends at Fall Commencement exercises. 2 ceremonies were held at our Scott Northern Wake campus. Hundreds of families and friends watched with pride as graduates ranging in age from 17 to 69 turned their tassels. In all, more than 800 graduates received degrees and diplomas. Don't forget, Wake Tech offers programs in 13 career fields, including advanced manufacturing, biotechnology, education, engineering, healthcare and wellness, and more. New students can apply now at apply.waketech.edu. The first day of classes for spring semester, January 8th, 2024. Wake Tech is pleased to announce the Tennie Group LLC as the 100th WakeWorks Apprenticeship Partner. WakeWorks, now in its 3rd year, is a partnership between Wake Tech and Wake County to address the county's shortage of technical workers, giving students a unique opportunity to earn an income while getting an education and learning new skills. To learn more, visit wakeworks.waketech.edu. 15 new and revised articulation agreements between Wake Tech and William Peace makes it easier for students to finish their bachelor's degrees. The new Peace Pathway creates a smooth transition from Wake Tech to WPU in a variety of program areas. Some Wake Tech graduates will be able to complete a bachelor's degree in less than 2 years, saving them time and money. Wake Tech's Public Training Safety Academy was awarded national accreditation by the Commission on Accreditation for Law Enforcement Agencies Incorporated, CALEA, in the Training Academy program. The academy, located at the college's Public Safety Education campus, was first accredited in 2012. Student researchers in Wake Tech's innovative STEM Academic Research and Training START program took center stage to present their discoveries at the Fall 2023 Student Showcase. 54 students studying science, math, engineering, and technology at Wake Tech gained hands-on experience this semester as paid research interns in the START program. To learn more, visit start.waketech.edu. 200 Wake Tech engineering students put their design skills to the test during the innovative Rube Goldberg machine building competition. 44 teams of students in the Associate in Engineering program had to rely on the principles of physics, gravity, force, mechanics, magnetism, sound waves, light, and electricity to design and complete their innovations. Wake Tech baking students showcased their skills in the much-anticipated Baker's Row. The popular event takes place twice a year at the Scott Northern Wake campus and includes sweet and savory treats, European cakes, and fresh bread. Students made baked goodies entirely from scratch. They sold everything from savory biscuits, pimento cheese, quiche, cakes, cookies, chocolates, and brownies. Wake Tech student Quentin Taylor is celebrating after taking home first place in 2 competitions held at the Scott Northern Wake campus. Taylor, who sang and played the piano, defeated 8 other finalists to win Wake Tech Idol and received a $2,000 scholarship from the Wake Tech Foundation. Taylor also finished first in a pitch competition prior to Wake Tech Idol for students enrolled in the Business of Music for Entrepreneurs class, a 10-week workforce continuing education course. And that's a wrap for 2023. We leave you this year with some sights and sounds from Wake Tech Idol. We hope you have a happy and safe holiday season. We'll see you in 2024.